Okay, so we're gonna now replace the keyboard on this guy, but we're gonna fix a key issue on this one. So there's a key that has come off like this, and we're gonna try and fix it up. Now let's have a look on the microscope, the state of this key. Is it a key issue, or is it the keyboard something not right? Have a quick look. Have a look at the key, see if it's physically damaged. Okay. Yeah, this key ain't gonna hold jack, I think. See, there's that part there is broken. I think so, or that could be design. Yeah, maybe that's design. So let's go get another key from another keyboard. This one had some sort of a liquid spill. Yeah, so this one has its brackets, okay. So the difference between the two, if you have a look, here we go. So that's the customer's one, this is the our one. So that's supposed to be 2 clips, okay. So that's one thing, we can fix it with that. Now the other thing is our keyboard doesn't have this stuff. Clicky click, the clips, okay. So disgusting, okay. Normal. Okay, that's done, we've taken that out. Let's bring the customer's one. Okay, so we can see that's okay. This one is bent. It's a bit bent out. Okay, this one is a bit bent out. Okay, great. And then this part, let's slide in, and this one just click in and click in. There we go. We have a perfectly working, maybe not. There we go. It has to be not too rigid. So that one there needs. So we need. Okay, that's a bit better. Now let's bring the S that has the 2 clips. Wonderful, there we go. Okay, so that's fixed. That's how you fix a key that is broken. Okay. And to give it a nice clean, the reason why See, this is what the key actually looks like. See all that disgusting stuff? Now take something like this, or any alcohol-based cleaner, spray onto the cloth, not on the keyboard. Yeah, it is quite disgusting, but what do you do? This is the kind of work keyboards are. Okay. Alright, that's the end of this. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.